Assign a shortcut to running a script in OS X. Does OS X provide an easy way to bind key combinations to commands which are typically run on the command line? For example, is there some way to assign cmd+L as a global shortcut to quickly lock my screen, possibly using /system/library/framework/screensaver.framework/resources/screensaverinGen?
Yes, you can do this with applescript or Automator. The way I've done things like this is to use Automator to create a service that is available in all applications. A service can be made to run a bash/zsh/ruby/whatever script. Then you can bind a key combination to the service in the keyboard pane of System Preferences. Near the end of this MacBreak podcast, this procedure is shown in detail. Edit: I just noticed you're not using Snow Leopard. I don't think creating a system-wide service is as easy with 10.5.8. I guess you can't upgrade since it's a PowerBook. You might want to look into FastScripts, which allows you to assign keyboard shortcuts to applescripts, free to use for up to 10 keyboard shortcuts, and use the following applescript.
I currently use FastScripts. It includes all scripts in /library/script/, so you don't have to add scripts manually. It also supports application-specific scripts, and it has a few features that are useful with applescripts, like it stops a script before a keystroke or key code command until modifier keys are released. If you have bought the Power Pack for Alfred 2, you can create workflows like this. Hotkeys have a short delay by default, but you can reduce it by changing the trigger behavior. KeyRemap for MacBook also supports running shell scripts. Other applications that support assigning shortcuts to scripts. Activate, Better Touch Tool, Butler, Cockpit, Controller Mate, Hammerspoon, Eki, Keyboard Maestro. NewKit, Quickies, Quicksilver, Shortcuts, Slate, Spark, TIS Service. Another option is to create an Automator service. Open Automator and choose the service template. Check that the input type and application scope are correct, or change selected text to no input if the service does not receive any input. Add a run shell script or run applescript action for the script. Save the service and give it a shortcut from System Preferences. There has been a bug since 10.7 where the shortcuts for services don't always work until you hover over the services menu from the menu bar. Shortcuts for services don't work when an application that doesn't have a services menu, like Tower, is frontmost. There is also a noticeable delay before services are run.
If you are using Better Touch Tool, you can assign a shortcut to shell command by selecting a following action. Controlling other applications in GT, execute terminal command.
Here is an example keypass.sh script I made. I just did get info on it and set it to run with terminal. After that, I created an alias to it on my desktop. It runs the keypass.sh script inside a terminal, and then after you exit the application, it kills any open terminal windows. You may want to tweak that last line smile. You don't need to use anything special like in everyone else's answers here.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.